So today we are taking away, we're doing subtraction. So we are taking away from 10 using 5 group drawings and recording with a number bond and a number sentence. So our problem today says, Mackenzie had 10 buttons on her jacket. 2 buttons broke off her jacket. How many buttons are left on her jacket? So I am going to draw the buttons, and I'm just going to draw circles. And there are 10 buttons, and I'm drawing the 5 group way. So that means I need 5 on top and 5 on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the next part of my story problem says, 2 buttons broke off her jacket. So we need to cross out 2 of the buttons. Now I would like you to fill out the number bond and the number sentence, the subtraction equation. Okay, so we started with 10 buttons. 2 buttons broke off. How many buttons are left on her jacket?